Listen to the sounds. Smell the fresh air. Look at the sun rising and the colors of the sky and clouds and the green of the brook grass. Take it all in, and while you're taking it in, that's what your nervous system is doing. Neuroceptively, unconsciously, your body is receiving light, it's receiving messages. The organs are sending it up through the vagus nerve to the brain, informing you about what you're experiencing here. Through the senses and through the body. And it doesn't take long while you're in nature to recognize that you're safe. And it has a calming effect on your body. You're feeling the Earth's electromagnetic negative energy, which rhythmically soothes your heart energy. Resonance happens and you start to calm. That's the healing energy of being at the beach as well, because your feet are in the earth grounding, usually naked feet on the earth. Fuels those negative ions. So while you're in nature, it's like a relaxing bath. See if you can sense how your body responds and changes. Although it's happening unconsciously, you start to feel a change in your state. You start to notice how much you enjoy how it feels, because your body automatically responds through the autonomic nervous system. What a beautiful being you are. Your nervous system is always telling you if you're safe or not. Namaste.